back, everybody. How are y'all doing? And welcome back to another episode of Household Item Workouts with your one and only Angel Reese. Now, unfortunately, my buddy Marcos and Jerry are not here today. They're on a secret mission, but it's okay. All right, so let's get started. The first workout of the day, we're gonna be working on our biceps, deltoids right here, all this chest right here. All right. So what we're gonna be using today is a laundry basket. All right. Everybody has a laundry basket at their house. So you put it upside down. All right. Go here. Now we're gonna do push-ups, all right? We're gonna do 2 sets of 10, 2 sets of 10, all right? So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that. And just like that, we worked out a full body workout on your shoulders, your deltoids, your chest, just like that. So for this workout, we're gonna do what's called mountain climbers. We're gonna be using a laundry basket as well. Now for this workout, it's pretty easy. We're probably gonna be doing about 15 to 20 seconds, maybe 2-3 sets of each. It's your choice, however you feel it. Now here we go. Now remember, boys and girls, don't forget to stretch. Stretching is very important, all right? So here we go. What you wanna do is you wanna put both hands, all right? You wanna go here, start off here, and then you go here. Just like that, just like that, just like that. Keep going, you can keep counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just like that, all the way to 15, 13, 14, 15, just like that, just like that. That's a full workout, full lower body workout, just for your legs, at home with the lunch basket, not that hard. All right, so get to it, let's go. Now this workout is gonna be a abdominal workout. We're gonna work out all the abdominals from the top and the bottom. So here we go, huge hit on your butt. All right, you grab the basket right here. You go pick up your legs like that, just like that. You can cross them if you like, and then just go like that, side to side, just like that. Now for this, we want to do about 20. These are pretty easy, so we want to do about 20. Ready? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you want to finish hard at around 12 to 15. It's gonna start burning your abdominals, but it's okay. Keep going, keep pushing, just like that. 17, 18, 19, 20, just like that. All right, boys and girls. Thank you. Stay tuned for more.